Hey everyone, I'm Ben Deloach for UITS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to register for classes using MyCSU. Let's get to it.
In order to become a student at Columbus State University, you have to register for classes using MyCSU. To start, open a web browser and type in the search bar mycsu.columbusstate.edu. Once you log in, you will see a gray bar on the left side and a section that says Quick Links. Click the arrow on the tab and select Schedule Planner. Pick the semester that you want to take classes in. Here is the main schedule planning page. You can see the term you are registering for, the different parts of the term, course status, levels, and instruction modes. As well as the courses and breaks you have included into your schedule. To add a class, click the Add Course button. Here you can choose to search for your class by subject, attribute, or instructor depending on your preference. After selecting a class, you may add it to your schedule if you meet the course prerequisites. To return to the main page, click the red Schedule Planner button at the top bar. You can also schedule breaks for yourself to give you time to study, or maybe to go out and get a bite to eat between classes. After you have some classes that you want to take, and have added as many breaks as you need, you can hit the Generate Schedules button at the bottom. This will create schedules based on your selections, and allow you to see exactly what times you will be busy or on break. You can even compare two schedules at once to see which one you like better. After deciding on a schedule that you want to use, click the Send to Shopping Cart button at the top. Click the red button at the top of the page that says Shopping Cart. Then, click the blue button on the right side that says Register. This will allow you to register for all the classes that you have listed on the page.
Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website at uits.columbusstate.edu or call our IT support help desk at 706-507-8199. This has been for UITS. Have a good day.